Use wamp to install PHP, Apache, and MySQL. Wamp is a web development environment platform that combines Windows, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. It brings together all the components you need to serve dynamic content on the Internet. WAMP stands as a solution package that enables you to build and set up a dynamic website without having to install all these programs one at a time and tweaking each setting. The package will enable you to work within an environment that replicates the production server so you can develop your site before launching the live site. Windows is the operating system on your computer. It houses all the different programs on your computer and enables them to run. It creates an environment to do your work in, and provides the necessary tools to accomplish tasks on your computer. Apache being an open-source software is constantly maintained and developed by a community of developers around the world. It is a web server that is being used today to view static and dynamic websites across the Internet. With the Apache installed on the computer, a programmer or developer can preview or test applications while in the stages of development before publishing them on the Internet. This way it will allow developers to test the application's behavior and find bugs if any. MySQL. The MySQL manages the database and keeps all the data files organized over the Internet. Storing and keeping data files in a highly organized manner are the strong points of MySQL. Usually incorporated in web applications to store and manage data that are introduced over the course of a website's life, MySQL makes sure the data will always be there when a website is accessed. Many social networking sites maximize MySQL to store and manage files like personal information, images, or login data. Other sites that have a high number of registered users like blog sites or organizations and clubs benefit from MySQL's ability to keep an organized database. Sites that hold a collection of videos and images are made possible with MySQL. PHP. You'll find PHP in all the websites on the Internet. PHP is a scripting language which can be inserted into HTML. Highly used in web development, it creates dynamic pages on the website. Combined with MySQL, it enables the data to be displayed in a certain way when the page is called on. Installing WAMP will take no time at all. Just go to the website and click on the download button. This will download the installer on your computer. Once downloaded, activate to install, then just follow the instructions to finish. Quick tips: you can download new releases of Apache, MySQL, and PHP through WAMP. Useful links, dynamic websites.